Hope all of you fine, enjoying also, right? I'm here with the chapter 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, right? An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. This chapter is all about Kalpana Chawla only, an astronaut, India-born astronaut, and she was born in Karnal, a small city of Punjab, right? Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but she was a naturalized US citizen. She married a flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison. She was a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, she decided to apply to NASA's Space Shuttle program and was selected for training as an astronaut. Education and job. She did her schooling from Tagore School and joined an engineering college. From engineering college, she took a graduate degree as Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering. After that, she went to America to get a master's degree in aerospace engineering. After the PhD, she learned to fly aeroplanes and became a flight instructor. She became a research scientist there. In 1994, she was selected as a candidate to go in space. So you can easily understand because of her keen interest on her topic and what she wanted to be. Because of that, she did hard work and finally she became what she wanted to be. Marriage and nationality. Kalpana Chawla was born in India, so by birth she was a citizen of India only. During aeroplane training, she married to an American, Jean Pierre Harrison. By this, she became a naturalized American. As a child, Kalpana never dreamed of space travel. When she was very small, she never dreamed that I would be a pilot or I wanted to be a pilot, but thing is that it happened. According to her work and devotion, it happened. It was not sufficient for her to graduate from an engineering college. After graduating as an aeronautical engineer from Punjab Engineering College, she went for a master's degree to the United States in spite of her father's opposition. So father, he was not allowing her to go America for further education and all, but because of her keen interest and devotion, no one is there to stop her. She went there and she had completed her PhD degree over there. She had the pride of being the first India-born American woman astronaut to blast off from Florida and be a part of the successful space mission. So what she thought, she became. She was interested, she was to do something, and finally she reached to the goal. Her first space mission was 16 days long. So after getting her pride, after getting her job, first space mission was for 16 days long. During this time, she traveled 10.45 million kilometers in 252 orbits. Can you imagine? Within 60 days, how much distance she covered and traveled orbits in 252 orbits. The crew had 7 members only. She went with the crew means a group of people, group of astronauts, and they conducted 80 experiments. So they went to experiment for experiments only, say they practiced, they experienced 80 experiments over there, and also checked if food could be grown in space. They also tried, they also experienced if food could be grown in the space or not. The news of Columbia disaster made everyone grief-stricken. A shock wave was spread everywhere. A journalist called her heroine. So you can imagine if she is being called a heroine. So you can think how beautiful she was, how smart she was, how workable, how much workable she was, and how much knowledgeable, right? She had enormous potential and wide information, encyclopedic knowledge of each subject. She was having knowledge for each of the subjects. She was totally contained. Her achievements were actually marvelous. She created history and became an inspiration for everyone. Really, her achievements made us spellbound. We are really feeling proud of her. She created history and became an inspiration for everyone. That is true. Whenever we are going through this chapter and knowing all about Kalpana Chawla, we never felt not to go through this chapter. Something we are getting always, we are getting inspired by her journey of life, journey of successful life, right? Her life is a testimony that dreams can get success. Her life is a testimony, example, evidence. Yes, if you have that interest, if you have that zeal, you can do everything whatever you want to do. The only thing we need to make them real is courage and vision. We have to be very clear about our goal. We have to be clear visioned and courageous also to become successful in life. So, hope you liked it, and thinking all about her, try to be something, try to deal your life, conduct your life differently. Okay, and dreamed, when you are dreaming, just clear your vision first, what you want to do, what you want to be. If your vision is clear, then you will be courageous and success will automatically knocks the door. Okay, so be happy, enjoy, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, bye, take care. Okay.